An unknown file extension means your system couldn't automatically identify what you're dealing with, but that doesn't mean the file is useless. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you identify what's actually inside and find the right tool to open it. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for unknown problems. See below for my top choice. Unknown files are placeholder designations for files whose format cannot be determined from the extension alone. They may contain any type of data, including documents, media archives, or application-specific content, requiring further investigation to identify and open properly. Files with unknown extensions have no standardized format. They may result from incomplete downloads, failed file transfers, or applications that use non-standard extensions. The actual file type must be determined by inspecting the file's binary header or magic bytes. Generic Utility endorses File Type Analyzer as the main tool for handling unknown files. The system can open the file as plain text, but cannot apply its intended visual formatting. Windows gives little information, requiring programs designed for the format's era. The first action is to find a compatible app. Right-click your unknown file and click Open With. Test File Type Analyzer if available. If it is unavailable, choose another program. We need to find the specific decoder. If the unknown file won't budge, stay calm. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this unknown format is causing you grief. First, identifying the file type. Use TrID file, identifier, or the file command on Linux to analyze the binary header and determine the actual file format. Upload the file to checkfiletype.com for online identification. The tool examines magic bytes and file signatures to identify the correct format. Next, opening the file. After identifying the actual file type, rename the file with the correct extension. If identification fails, try opening the file in a hex editor to inspect the header bytes. Look for recognizable signatures such as PK for zip %PDF for PDF or FFD8 for JPEG. Finally, preventing misidentification. Configure your operating system to show file extensions by default. In Windows, open File Explorer, then View, then Check. File name extensions. This prevents accidental extension removal during file renaming and helps maintain proper file type associations across your system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.